Hello folks, my name is Craig. I'm at Countryside RV in Colfax, Iowa, and we're going to do a quick video walk around of an Avenger ATI Model 21 RBS. The RBS is a rear bath with slide. It has manual jacks front and rear, and as we go around you'll see there's the furnace, tires, water heater, one dump area, black and gray right there. Got a spare tire on the back, backup camera prepped, outside shower. Come over here and we've got our power awning, and the power awning is equipped with an LED light strip that runs underneath. Coming around, we'll just duck into our outside storage real quick. Very good amount of storage through there. Come around to the inside. Now this is a great unit because with the slide, you have not only a private queen bedroom, but an excellent living area out here with a U-dinette. That U-dinette will of course fold down and sleep two adults. Space for a TV right there. Kitchen area with good storage throughout. More storage there, and our Jackknife Sofa. Like any Jackknife Sofa, if you lift up on the front edge, it will fold down into a flat area, good for one, maybe two kids. Queen bedroom back here, storage over it. Come around, spot for a TV in the corner, good space to walk around. And then we'll come back towards the bathroom, which is quite large for a camper this size. You've got a large storage area here. Pop these open. What you see there. And then come around the other side for a sink and tub. Skylight. And there we go. This was a Avenger ATI 21 RBI, available at Countryside RV in Colfax, Iowa. We are 1 mile north of I-80, exit 159. You can see us online at csrvsales.com, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you so much.